So right now we will see how to install Flutter in Visual Studio Code. But before doing this process, you have to have configured it using Android SDK and created a virtual device using Android SDK. And that's it. After doing that, you can install it. So let's open up Visual Studio Code. And to do so is absolutely easy. You just have to go into extensions, type Flutter, and install. Yeah, it's easy as it is. And now let's do another thing. I will open up a new terminal window. After opening up a new window, I will go inside the where I have the Android Studio projects, and inside Flutter app, and here I have an application that I have created before using Android SDK. So let's open it using Visual Studio Code, and now we hopefully be able to run this code. So let's try it. Run, start debugging, or pressing F5. So this this device that you see right here, I have installed it using Android SDK. So as far as I know, you have to go through this process using Android SDK and then open it using Visual Studio Code. So that's it. It's working. It's working pretty fine. Let's try the hot reload feature. Okay. Save. Okay. Absolutely amazing. Works perfectly.